Alright, y'all, it's Wednesday. It's really my telework day. But I got a key that I need to take back. So I'm gonna do that. Phone about to die, so. Alright, so my phone got some juice so I can actually have a better video quality. Because earlier I was trying to record and it was dying. It was laggy as a mug. Long story short, I'm back in my job because I have to return this key. And I'm still teleworking. And the funny thing is, I was trying to log on online this morning to a certain site. And it kept saying my password was wrong. And I'm like, dang, what the heck is the password? Sometimes you got too many passwords for too many sites. So thank God I do have it wrote down somewhere in my office. So actually I know exactly where it's at. But I'm going to get that. And then I'm going to also return this key. And then we're going to keep it going, y'all. So me and one of my sisters work about 8 to 10 minutes away from each other. So since that's the case and I'm about to go home from around here, I said, why not go surprise her with the caramel frappe? So I'm gonna drop that off and then I'm gonna just keep going. I just gave them the frappes back. They put a little bit of ass whipped cream. Fill my shit up. I want my shit to look like the pictures. Now that's better. I should have showed y'all what they looked like at first. It looked like they just put like a dab of it on there. And that'd be one thing about me with food and customer service. Like, you gotta do it right. He ain't had no attitude about it because he probably was like, damn, she right. Like, this clear thing should not be missing whipped cream. It's all good.
But you probably don't know there's
yeah, off to see my sister like that. Or probably won't even get to see her because with her job, like, she deal with kids and stuff. So she'll probably only be able to be seen for a second and then go back to the kids. So this morning, or it's 12 o'clock now, but for the first half of the morning, it's been extremely light. Like, it's been no real issues. I seen a printer ticket, and that's about it, really. I went back to the office, gave that key up, and now it's pretty much lunchtime. I got my food from yesterday. Insert clip. But I am about to go get me some Ritas. So I'm gonna go over there and do that, and then I'm gonna eat. As far as the connect-wise issue, I tried to reset my password. It still said I was locked out and I couldn't do anything. So I emailed admin, or networking rather, to like see if he could see what's up or something. Thank God there's nothing really happening though. So I'm not really missing out on anything, and I can still respond to tickets via email. So it's all good. I'm waiting on a package as well. And you know what? So I finally got the reset from networking. Cool, and it's gonna let me change it. So I'm doing that now, y'all. Damn, I gotta paint. Another 24 hours with your favorite IT help desk tech, y'all. Traveling. Let's go. So since I'm in a separate office from my main office, I do separate tasks. So pretty much we're gonna upgrade all the PCs and machines to Windows 11. So I just went and turned on all the PCs, and I actually wrote them down as well. So that'll get done, and then I have a phone issue I need to take care of for the user. So that's good. But they got a lot of good stuff down here, y'all. That joint down there got roster pasta. I'm gonna have to see what the smoothies is about. Like, they got a lot of stuff going on. I love working in Baltimore. So as far as the phone issue, the real issue is the passcode and it having no service. So I'm gonna have to take that home because I'm only in that office but so many days a week. Let's go. Bless me, Lord. Cool. Nice, fresh, and flavorful. That's all I be needing. This will last me through lunch, and when I go home. Maybe even before I go to the jump. All right, y'all, last step. Got to get some gas for the state vehicle. Look how old these joints look. But got to get some gas, and then we'll be good to go. So I'll see y'all in a second.